Hey David, this is Jason from Virginia Beach Web Designs. Thank you for taking my call earlier or yesterday, and thank you for clicking on this video. Um, I want to briefly show you just 3 easy ways to improve your website so you can start bringing in more customers. If you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, it's really simple. There's a lot of business owners out there who don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. And one of the main things that's holding them back from hiring a market agency is they don't know who's an expert and who's not. So I found by making these attack plans and giving them away for free, some business owners want to do this for themselves. And some call me back and ask for help. So if you want some help with this, give me a call. We could chat. And if you want to do it yourself, please do. I'm trying to help as many business owners as I can. So without further ado, what we're going to talk about today is about content, backlinks, and citations. So first off, I see that you're a general contractor. On your website, you obviously spent some time and money. There's a little expertise involved with making this. It looks good. It's simple. It's clean. You can get a hold of you. You can call you. You got maps. You got pictures. The pictures are saved with good keywords there. So kudos to you. And that's just your plumbing page, which we'll talk about that here in a second. So it's a pretty decent site. Again, a lot of time and energy went into this. You probably spent a little bit of money. Unfortunately, there's not a lot of content, okay? And content's key because Google doesn't rank you based on how good your site looks. It actually ranks you based on content, which is mostly the amount of words that you have, plus the pictures and everything else that you can click on here. And the reason why Google does that is they want to put the customer in front of the website that's going to answer their questions. And that's generally going to be the one with the most words. Okay. So you only have about a little less than 700 words here on your front page. And that's not bad at all. But it's not going to put you on the front page when it comes to searching for services like yours. The average front page in Google has 1,900 words of content on it. And so if we can get you anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this front page, not only are you going to rank up, but you're going to rank up because Google is going to see you as an expert, and you're also going to be able to incorporate more of the keywords that people are searching for. Again, we'll talk about keywords a little more in a second. Okay, so I see that you like to be searched for contracting services Norfolk. Okay, that's one of the keywords that you hit on your site. Okay, unfortunately, nobody's searching for contracting services Norfolk. Okay, that's not bringing you any traffic. As you'll see this. Wait, it's not even like residential general contractors Norfolk. Only 10 people searching for that. Okay, so when people are looking to do business to hire you, they're looking for a specific service, plumbing, electrical, home repair. So that's what they're actually going to search for when they're trying to find someone to fill their needs. So if you go into here, plumbing Norfolk, plumbers, this is where people are searching. Okay, this is where people are searching at. Okay, so what we're going to do is need to get you some better keywords that are going to work for you, okay, and get those back pages bringing those customers in for you, okay. So one way we can do that is we can go over here to Ahrefs, all right, and this is a nice nifty little tool. I can look at the backside of the website, see what's going on, and what we use is backlinks, and backlinks are basically other websites that refer to you, and Google uses this to rate your trustworthiness. All right. So right now, you're ranking kind of low. You do have 43 referring domains, but only 16 of them are actually powerful domains that are working for you. And they're bringing in 403 backlinks, but I'm assuming some of these are probably kind of spammy, so they're really working against you. And you're rating for 57 keywords, but the keywords you're hitting for aren't working for you. So as you can see, the highest you're ranking is 10, and that's the bottom of the first page, first the second page, and that's with your name, AllTrades. Okay, so everything else, keyword wise, is on the second and third page for you. So what we're going to want to do is incorporate more of those keywords people are searching for: plumbing, electrical, home repair, all that stuff. Unless people already know your name, therefore it doesn't matter where you are on the web page, on the web search, then they're not going to find you because you don't have the keywords that people are searching for incorporated in your website. Okay. So, for example, here's Norfolk Plumbing. Okay, and obviously they got the name Norfolk Plumbing, so that totally helps with their keywords automatically. They have 91 referring domains, and at least 52 of them are working for them. Okay, look at the value that brings to them. Okay, and that's just for plumbing. Okay, you guys do more than plumbing. So, but they have 900 organic keywords, and they're hitting #1 on a lot of the ones that people are going to be using to find, say, a plumber in Norfolk. So just have a look there. So that's that's two things right there right off the bat that can get more people to your site. The last thing we're going to talk about is when people search for, say, a plumber in Norfolk or Norfolk plumber. Okay, they're ready to buy, so they're going to come to the first plumber that looks trustworthy. And so you want to be that plumber because those are the easiest customers to close. So right here are ads, and you may or may not know this already, but ads cost money, and they're hit or miss because people either have ad blocker and don't see them, or they don't trust them. They've had a bad experience in the past with ads, and they just shy away from them. I know I do myself. This right here is called Google My Business, and the map pack, as we like to call it. And how you get right here is through citations. Okay, and citations is your name, address, and phone number in different directories around the web. And I guarantee these guys right here are at least on at least 300 different directories. Okay, to get here, you have to be on that many directories. Okay, and it's easy and it's simple, and most of the time it's free. We just find out what directories these guys are using. We put ourselves in those directories, and bam, we're right there on the map pack, ready to do business for people who need a plumber or electrician or whatever it is right now. Okay, so that's all I've got for you today, David. I hope this was informative. And as a quick recap, we're going to need to get some more words of content on your page, incorporating more of those keywords that people are actually searching for. We're going to want to get at least like 100 of those powerful backlinks that can point you more towards trustworthiness in Google's eyes. And then we're going to want to at least get 300 citations here throughout the web so that we can rank up on this map pack. Okay, if you want to do all this yourself, please do. This is free education. I'm trying to help as many business owners as I can. All I ask in return is a little 1 or 2 lines of feedback on this. Let me know if this was valuable and informative. And if you want help doing this, you can give me a call. Our phone number is 757-354-2802. Either way, I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.